acquaintance be forgotten.
Hi guys, my name is Cassie and I'm the host of Good as New, and today I'm going to show you how to transform empty paper towel rolls into DIY party poppers for New Year's Eve. Then we're gonna snip the top here, but don't snip too much. So, and you don't have to worry about this ugly edge because you know what we're gonna do now?
Oh.
We are gonna grab our decorative tape, also sometimes called washi tape, and we are just going to wrap it around. This is my favorite part. I have here a bowl of confetti. You don't put so much in because I think it weighs it down. So
also, don't look down the barrel.
Yeah, you can't have too much. That's the key. Let's make another one. That was fun. It's really, really simple. It's a lot of fun. I hope you guys do it. I hope you have such a wonderful New Year. Why do you have that? What are you doing?
Wow, that was awesome!
Oh. Okay, here, you want that one? You gonna pop it?
E, D, C, B, A. Happy New Year! Give me a kiss. If old acquaintance be forgotten, if old acquaintance be forgotten,
Thank you, Paul. That was great. Remember, life is about the little things.
Happy New Year!